Hello.
Yeah, so I have approved the request.
Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Actually, yesterday I could not save the video due to some technical
Okay.
issue.
Yeah, like we also had that
Save-
technical issue. I have checked out the backup is there. I have asked the team to get it cleared.
okay. If Setu have no problem, so can you repeat yesterday's class?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the recording was there in the Excel file.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, the recording is there. So that is not an issue.
If you want, if you want, we can go through again. But just wanted to know that the file is already in the Excel.
File is all there, ma'am, because I have also checked in morning because I got a report from the company that there was some issue with the Zoom app yesterday evening. So I have checked out whether the recording is there. We have both
Okay.
recordings also, like from before that disconnection and after that disconnection. Both recording is there. I have uploaded it also. So once they download it and put it in Drive, so you can get access to it. And if you want, we can also repeat yesterday's class. No issue.
Okay. Okay.
So yeah,
Is my screen visible, Rona?
yeah, yes, sir. Your screen is visible there.
Oh, uh, so this where I was trying to exporting this file. So I just wanted to know from here only we need to export it, correct? On the Mosaic editor for the
If
auto
you
photo.
want, no, it will automatically be saved. If you did
Okay,
any correction work here, you need to export it separately. That's all. Since the data
okay,
which I have given you will not have any errors to be corrected. Like if you're
okay,
taking it from an Indian drone or a helicopter or an aeroplane, you will have some seamline errors or some vibrations. No, there are possibilities of it. Only in that case, you need these Mosaic editor and Photoshop and other production details. But the data which I
okay,
have provided you is actually from DJI, and that is very accurate data which I have taken.
okay. So by default, it should be saved in the
Yeah, it is
folder.
showing you it is saved in the desktop itself automatically where other production file is there, it is saved.
Okay, so this was the folder.
Yeah, file is here, sir, actually.
So this was the recent one, just now exported. So where the default the auto photo will be saved.
It will be here only from what location you are giving at first. Initially, what it will do is it will save where the images are there. So there itself it will store and your data showed this location only on OneDrive, backup, desktop, POC, correct only. This is the location where you had your original data.
Mhm. Mm, Like, can we find out which one will be the because the multiple
No, sir,
folders
actually you
we
go to
have here.
POC data. No, you don't want to check into initial data. That is all backend supporting documents, metadata, alignment files, whatever it is there.
Okay,
Okay, so the thing is that you will get only for folder number 2 and folder number 3.
okay,
So densification is where you get the point cloud data and other things. That is the LiDAR output, other things. So you'll have 3D mesh and point cloud. So that is the point cloud data, LAS file. Yeah, and this
the
is,
default.
you'll have so much backend data supporting from this. So whenever you don't want to export also, it will show you that. So it is another option. Only this second and third. In that also you will see for point cloud data and um, 2D mesh, 3D mesh if you are planning for reconstruction. That's all. Balance other than that, no other thing is required actually. So that is why once the production is over, you will delete all data other than the output. Because for example, if it is a 50 GB for the full folder of output, your actual output will be somewhere around 10 to 15 GB. Balance 20 GB will be this catch files, backup data, supporting documents, or whatever it is only. So once you have
Okay.
transformed,
So those are all not required
yeah, it will
when
not be
once you
required.
got this. Okay.
When you are giving delivery also, you need ortho, DSM, and point load data. That's all. The balance supporting document is all not required. That is for software purpose only.
Okay. So this is the TAF file which was need to be delivered, correct?
Yes, that is a DSM file. Yeah, that PR.prj is there, right? That is a projection file. I think
Okay.
you have to open it with global mapper or some sort RGS so that no you
Okay.
can
Okay.
see it.
Here it is not
Sometimes
so it will not support. Okay.
normal image viewer it might support in some cases, but not every time it will support.
Okay. So we should import this file, TIFF file to ArcGIS, correct? For
Yeah, yes,
digitizing.
RGS or yeah, yes. You
Okay.
have to import not the DSM file, the ortho transparency ortho is there, right? That file you have to import. This is your DSM. This is for elevation volume, like volumetric analysis only. There is one more
Oh,
folder, right? On the mining, like third one is DSM and ortho. In that you will have one folder called ortho. This is mainly no, this is DSM. Yeah, the mosaic second one. So this is the image. The outside one is there, right?
mm,
That is the image. And that is the image you have to import it into RGS for visualization.
okay. Mm.
Can you
This
try
one,
and add?
this project data, it is not my.
No, this is backend data. This is back supporting document.
Okay. Okay. So here I have created this uh, subdomains. And while creating
Okay.
it, I just noticed that while creating a database, there is a data W84 we used to give on the X and Y this coordinates. For Z,
Yes.
we don't need to give anything. Z, it should be blank while
Yeah, yeah.
creating.
Mostly, unless and until you have DGPS data from the ground, your result will be empty only.
Oh, okay, okay. In here, we have a altitude also covered, correct? Uh,
Yeah,
in our
everything.
input data.
Yeah, when you're projecting, it will be easting and nothing will be covering, and all other things will be covered. If you have
Oh,
an altitude data, you can add it, or else you can just leave it empty.
okay. So I tried to search on Z-axis. It was not showing the 1984. So
But
can
actually,
I create
altitude,
one?
no, when you're giving a projection, unless and until you have the elevation data, you cannot give input of elevation data. You need the elevation data input in order. That actually, it is like it will take readings in X, Y, and Z. But
Mm-hmm.
unless and until you have the Z value, you can't add this into the files. That is how it will be. If you are
In
adding
our case,
elevation
we
data,
have Z. In our case, we have Z value, right?
yeah, it will all
Because
be there.
mm, mm, mm,
But what you have inputted is you have inputted a 2D ortho image.
okay.
So there you have Z values also, and you have one
Mm,
DSM also. So when you input DSM value, you will have this Z value, everything fixed. So as far
mm,
as 2D mapping, you will not need Z value. You will need only XY in Z. I mean, X and Y
mm,
alone will be enough. When you are doing
okay.
volumetric analysis and those type of things only, you are required to have an Z value.
Okay. Okay.
Unless and until you don't want it.
Mhm. Okay. So now we have to import this layer, correct? Like for digitizing that auto
Yeah,
photo.
yes,
So
you
how
have to
can we
add
do
that
this?
image. Now you have
Uh,
to, there is one thing called add data here. One plus symbol is there, right? Go a little bit right. No, no, here. Top a little bit up. There is one number tab, right? 1:1231592 some bit. On left side of it, there is one plus symbol. That is add
okay.
data. So you just
Okay.
add a data. Just click add
Mm,
data. So there you have the location actually where you have to know, you know where the location is, right?
Mm.
So click on the scroll down bar. It is in desktop, the third one. See user say yeah, that is there. So there you have to check for the
Okay.
location of where you have it.
Let's put it sufficient.
So click yes.
And to do polygons and these things, I should right click here and create a polygon, or
No,
how
no.
how
You go to the top toolbox, right click it, you will open the additional tools. In that you need editor toolbox actually.
okay. So in this Arc toolbox, it is not available. We should
No,
click.
no, R toolbox is only for analysis purposes, not for digitalizing and mapping purposes.
Okay, so this option, correct? The
No,
digitizing
you have to, no, no, here, go to the open area in the toolbox, right click it.
an area.
You'll, no, here on the empty space towards right, above that R catalog empty space is there, na, in the toolbox there. Go there, do a click and you'll see your, there will be one scroll down toolbox, like one full scroll down thing. In that there is one toolbox called editor. Wait a little bit because your image is loading still now.
Mm.
So now actually right click and click to zoom to layer. So this is the area we have covered for you.
So this is the area of interest, or area of interest, correct? This one.
Yeah, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, and what about this? This also have a very big, very deeper. They have cutted. So
And that
is
was a
it
previously used area. Like that area
already
was
used?
commissioned. Yeah, it was commissioned, and after a period of time, it was decommissioned.
Okay.
That's all. So there are happening like this because I mean, mostly they will not propose new queries in new areas unless what they'll do is rather if there is existing query, they'll check for any suitability near that area itself.
Mhm. What is this
So
quarry? Is sand or
no, it is
granite?
for IMSA. No, no, it is not a granite one. If it is a granite one, you will not have these uneven cuttings inside it.
Mhm.
Granite, you will have clean, sharp cuttings and everything like cliff and all. But whereas
Oh,
this quarry is all is for aggregates, some like this rocks, some M sand and all other things.
okay. So we used to get a sand from this area.
Yeah, yes, you are getting M sand, the regular stones, aggregates which are using for concrete and all will be you can get it from here.
Okay. Okay. Which one you said? Toolbar. This toolbar.
No, no, here. You just come outside and click right. No, just come outside. There is one empty space. Here on the top, sir, can you give me your team viewer ID or something?
This one. Did it?
Yeah, editor, the second one.
Okay.
Yeah, you give this toolbar on the top. Yeah. User close this Arc catalog. The catalog toolbox is there, right? Just close it, and Arc toolbox also you can close it. No need.
I closed it. Now I can create a.
Yeah, yes, you can go to Start Editor. Click on here, the right side. No. You have to click in Sample here. Create feature. Click the sample. See, you have polygon bottom. Zoom a little bit, sir. Actually, your zoom should be like 1:150 or 1:100. So that now your digitalizing will be perfect. When you zoom on the center of the screen, you will see the proportion ratio. When you zoom the image, no, click Control Delete. Yeah, you have to zoom in a little bit. You have to zoom into 1:150 or something like that. No, see, it is 1:1500. So in the center of the screen, you will have the zoom proportion. You have to zoom to 1:150 or 1:100. That is your regular mapping zoom. And make sure your polygon is actually hollow. Go to the
1:100
sample.
means it is very, very much zooming. Yeah? 1:100.
Yeah, but that is when your vertices will be perfect. 1:100 is
Oh,
normally 1:100, 150 will be the normal proportion of digitalizing
oh,
as per
okay.
the standards. So that no, your line will be exactly in the center.
Yeah. How to
And
exit from the stop editing?
yeah, go to editor itself. You can click go to editors. There is one small down arrow, right? Yeah, you have to save edit and stop edit.
Sarvana, is it digitization work on this ortho mosaic image?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I have told him to extract the mapping data from that as per scope.
Okay.
So we can directly put 1:100, is it? Yeah. Like
Yeah, that we can put,
manually.
sir. That
Okay.
is like you have to go to that toolbar each and every time in order to put it. So better scroll bar will be easy to use it. That's all.
Okay. Well, for that, we need to add this one, 1:100, because it is
No,
not
that is
showing.
no,
No.
no. It will not show here. When you're zooming, it will show you. It will not show directly that it is 1:6. It will be like 20 to 25 letters will be incrementing. It will be like 125. See, 1:100 is here. It will be like it will show you 1:125 or something. So it will be like increasing 2020 only. And after some 1:200, it will be increasing 100.
Okay. Right. So with this only, we need to digitize, correct? 1:100.
Yeah,
Okay.
because there only you will be if in that zoom also if you are unable to exactly know the vertices or something, you can better zoom in more also.
Okay. Okay.
क्या तुम लोग कार्ड यहाँ छोड़ के गई हो
Okay. I'll stop sharing. Uh,
Yeah, okay.
पैसे की कोई कदर ही नहीं है अब वो अब रुलाना नहीं है लिए रहने दो
Mamta ma'am. No. Hello, Mamta ma'am. Hello.
can hear you. is on mute. Ma'am, you're on mute.
I wanted to know what is the status in which she is working, because based on that only I can. That because as per syllabus your topic is all over. And it says, do you have any other doubts regarding this, or any other topic to be covered, or anything you specifically want?
Yes,
Like
sir.
that?
When I want to try to how to mosaic image. Can you help me if I open
Yeah,
software?
okay, you can share the screen now in the meeting so I can guide you through it.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so,
Let me open and then share screen. Okay.
yeah, yes, definitely. In the same way, have you extracted contour map?
No, sir, no. From Pix4D, we have to do that, is it?
Yeah, you can export it from Pix4D also.
Uh, Under which option it would be? Volumes.
So it will be there in ortho production itself. There you will have one toolbar called toolbar for volumetric analysis.
We have four options like map view, ray cloud. Under ray cloud, I can see point clouds.
No, not under right load I'm telling. Under ortho itself, there will be additional processings. Under that, you will have contour.
This required a password.
No, man, it doesn't require password and all.
So how to open this?
Your screen is actually not visible.
I
Okay,
think you
screen
can
is not
close that
showing.
once. You can close
No,
that
you
dialog
actually
box
close the
once.
software and reopen it, because
Okay.
sometimes you'll have this issue.
Yeah. This required password. I
No,
just
that is how you close it. You close it once. No, you just close it once and reopen it so that no this issue will.
yes.
Yeah, you close it once and reopen it so that no we'll have this issue. No?
Again, there is a required password.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have the folder in which I have given you one registry file?
I don't know where.
Where, no, where did you extract the file actually? The software? Because I have given one registry file there with the software. I've created and given for you.
Not here any part.
No, no, what I'm asking is you just close it.
Actually, no, actually, I shared screen, then you directly, I think you install the software.
Yeah, that is what. In from which folder did I install the software? I want you to open the